You know what time it is. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Happy Sunday, man. Wild open to the markets to start the week. This week is going to be wild, man. It could go up and down. The weekly range of last week, insane. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. Welcome back to another episode of the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, man. Let's see who's up on a Sunday. Let's see who's doing research on a Sunday. Who's charting on a Sunday? I've been charting most of the day. Ran some errands, and now we're back on. I just locked in the last. Is this thing? I hope this thing's recording. Oh man, here we go. Struggle streaming. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We are here. Just locked in Topstep payout. Off of that open. That open was volatile. Super volatile. All right, let's see what happens. Shout out to red candles, man. Look, from the off rip, we're doing red candles. Go over to red candles and subscribe, man. Shout out to red candles. Red candles brought the clan over last Thursday. Shout out to red candles, man. All right, let's test this out. Let's make sure bit rate is good. Let's see. If you're on the short side, come to the vertical side. The vertical side is you can see things a little bit better. What a push for the Bulls, man. To start the week. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. All right, let's make sure this thing is moving correctly. Uh-oh. Let's go, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're on the short side, come to the horizontal side. There's two streams going. I might have to put that like on the screen or something. I'll put that on the screen on the short side. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. All right, let's see who's up on a Sunday, man. Who's on the charts on a Sunday? This is a nice pop. Hold on. This level is a big level, yo. Because it's the middle of Friday's range. That just clicked. Yo, 773 is the middle of Friday's range. We're already there. That's insane. I was looking for continuation back down, but yo, I don't think the Bulls do it. But right now, they are threatening to the upside. 773 is key. This might be dead cat bounce. I think it might be dead cat bounce. But I'm short off of 77 if we get back up there. I'm watching it. Let me see. 15 minute chart. Come on. Okay. We got like some swing highs. Man, I might play this down, yo. I'm already at my target, but let's see how the next 15 opens up. I'm gonna wait till the next 15. This could get interesting. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Whew. Sunday fun day, man. Sunday fun day. All right, let me see if I can find. Whew. Boy. Let's see. Yeah, big volatility. If we get back up to 73, I might short it. or it might happen before we even get there. What's our high? All right, let me see. Yeah, I might short this thing through 700. We'll see. Can't we like draw out the thing over here? I think you can. Long position, short position. You can like draw it out, right? But it looks, I don't know. I need to figure out the coordinates of this thing. I'm debating. Down from the midpoint of Friday's range. Friday was crazy. I couldn't get on here on Friday, but golly, we dropped 1,000 points from top to bottom. Insane. Can't make it up, man. All right, let me make sure everything is up and running. Yeah, man, I might take it from up here, man. Let me see. I want to see how the next candle opens up. Dang it, I might be late. What's the high of this? 40. And we're at, dang, I'm missing it. Okay, hold on. If we squeeze back up, I'll take it. 700 might act as some resistance right here. I'm gonna test it. Let's test it. Playing with 1 micro. You think they squeeze it up? We'll see. Right now, I'm being a bit greedy, but see. I'm gonna test it. If they blow the top off, I'm moving my stop down as soon as we get a chance. Let's see if they rip it down. I got my stop right above the last pintail. Let's see if it can hold. Basically risking my profit right now. All right, let's see if we can flip this candle. We got a new candle coming in hot. I might just take this. I need to add little bits and pieces to add to. The key is looking for a rip down below 700 if we can get it. There it is. Break even, no matter what. Free trade. Get down. Get down there. Get down there. Get down there. It's gonna pop me out. All right. It's cool. I'll take bits and pieces all day. It's Sunday. We got all day tomorrow too. The bits and pieces add up, man. Let me see how, and I want to protect the payout. I don't want to do nothing stupid. That's why I'm playing with small size, super small size. Shout out to Monk Slayer. What's going on? The weekend was great, man. It was relaxing. I went over my trades from last week, and I think I'm starting to get back in the zone. Just locked in this payout. This payout is ready to go, ladies and gentlemen. It is ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I almost want to leave this alone, but I'm being a little bit greedy, but it's cool. If I do anything, it's 1 micro. And I don't want to give up what I've already made. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Shout out to Red Candles, man. Look, I need a Stream Elements command for my guy, Red Candles. If you don't follow Red Candles, Go look him up. Red Candles Trading. He's a streamer as well. Definitely locked in, man. I'm trying to be like him. He's doing his thing. Great streamer, great trader. But yeah, weekend's been great. What about you, Monk Slayer? How was your weekend? Crazy Friday, man. I don't know. Crazy Friday. I was sitting there watching it because I was running errands. And I was like, yo, what just happened? I kind of saw it when it first started. They said Trump, China news, possible tariffs. Oh man, I like this candle. Oh, I'm taking it. We're doing it again. I'm gonna put my stop right above this guy. We're risking $100. Let's see if we get anything down. I'm making this a free trade as soon as I can, if we can get it. Right now, I'm just trying to add on to the payout if we can get it. Oh, they're trying to flip it. 773 is the midpoint of Friday's range. That's crazy that we're almost there. We touched it. 774. That's insane, guys. Oh, they're pushing it. Let's see. Fresh 15-minute candle. Let's see what she does. Got my stop right above the last 15-minute candle. Let's see if we can get some flush. Oh man, bull's strong. They might pin it back up. All right, if we don't flip here, I gotta calm down. I'm looking for a push below 700 if we can get it. I'm making it a free trade as soon as I can. Come on. 700 collapse right here. We just need continuation if we can get it. It's super volatile right now. Definitely volatile. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the support. Let's keep on going. I'm looking for a turnaround right here. If we can get below the low of the last 15-minute candle, we can get a little bit of flush. I might have to move this up quick. I need this to flip red though. The 5 was flipping red, but we didn't get continuation. Let's see what happens. 700 key level. If they reclaim 7, I might cut it early. We'll see. I might look. We're tightening it up. Let's tighten it up. Let's see if we can get something down. If they pop it, $60. I'll cut it. What's my swing high on this? This is 40. Where's my? I'm at 18. Let's see. I'm gonna try to trust the bears right here. Let's see. The last pin tail on the last 15-minute candle, gnarly. Looking for a spin right here if we can get it. Come on, buddy. There she goes. She's starting to flip. Should I add? I do not want to add. Come on. You gotta flip it. Target is at least the 60s. If we can get it, I think we're getting it. We need continuation though. The bulls are like, yo, we're halfway. They're trying to hold the line. If they pop it, they'll stop me out. $57. I'm looking for a flush below the last 15-minute candle, if we can get it. Quick flush. It doesn't even have to be like a sustained flush. I just need something where I can scalp some change. Uh-oh, here we go. Fresh 5-minute candle. Let's see what it does. Come on, buddy. Flipper. I need that 5 to turn. If she doesn't turn, I might have to cut this early. Come on. Oh, this is a key level too. 718, super key. That's the middle of a, oh no. No, swing high, what's the swing high? Swing high 40. Let's see if we can get a flip right here. Okay, come on. There she goes. I need you to keep going. Give me something to work with. Flush below the low of the last 15-minute candle, and we are good. I'm at break even. God dang it. I'm looking for continuation. Hold on. Can we still get it? All right, I'm getting something. I needed the flush. Give me a little bit more flush, man. I'm trying to get the balance above 1500 at least, man. Because I'm going to request the payout end of day. Oh, they flipped it. Or they're attempting to flip it. Out of this level. All right, cool. I might have to cut it. If we reclaim 700, I got to get out. That's tester. Oh, that might have been bull trap. How much am I off? Like $15, man. Come on. Yeah, they're trying to curl it back up. Oh, hold on. See a little rambunctiousness. Tightening it up. Risking $80. Shrinking my risk as soon as I can. Watching to see if we get some continuation. There it is. That's what we were looking for. We were waiting for that. Okay, I'm gonna try to. Sometimes I'll pull it down too far, but hey, we're above 1500, man. Let me stop. Everybody in the chat, salute to you guys. We made it. We are back in payout land. Do you remember the last? It's been months, man. The thing is, I've gone through a drought like this before, but it was before I had all the payouts. It was like, I had like maybe one or a couple of payouts. But after having like locking in so many payouts and then going through a drought, it hits different. It definitely hits different. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm back. I've been here before. Just gotta keep going, man. Keep recalibrating. And yeah, I'll take this, man. I'm gonna take whatever is left in this account and I'm gonna just roll it into more funded accounts. Someone was saying I shouldn't take the payout this early. I want to do it just to like get fourth quarter going, man. Just to end the payout drought. I don't want to make any mistakes, mess it up. I just want to take it while it's on the table, reinvest it into some more evals and some more funded accounts, and keep going. Because if I take a payout here, I still have the account, but the payout more than pays for the combine and the XFA activation. So that's my thinking behind it. With these props, I want the props to like pay for themselves. That's the goal. So if I'm getting a payout, that's how I did it like last year. My first payout was like a 4K payout, and I just used that. You just recycle it and keep going. Shout out to Mr. Koski in the chat. What's going on? Shout out to Monk Slayer. Monk Slayer say, hey, how was the weekend? I work part-time and we, oh, nice. Shout out to Monk Slayer. I know that's an experience. Shout out to Mr. Koski. Mr. Koski says, I just got back from the dog agility trials. Nice. this weekend. Watched all the dogs run courses. Was a lot of fun. Oh yeah, I've seen that on YouTube. There's some agile dogs out there. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Monk Slayer says, "This is crazy. It's a holiday tomorrow here in the yeah, it is. But look at the volatility, man. I guess the government shut down. People are at home, I guess. Yo, everybody on the shorts side, come over to the horizontal side. Dang, I didn't even put you guys on the trading screen. My bad. My bad to the people on the shorts live. I apologize. Come on the horizontal side. The horizontal side has all the action. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right. Okay, let me I don't even want to risk it anymore, man. I'm locked in. Payout locked in. I'll take that $700-800 and then roll it into some more accounts. The goal is to use this same strategy over at Apex. That's the goal. Use this same strategy for Apex. And if I see, I'm going to start with like 1 or 2 accounts. Well, I'm going to start with 1 account. I'll start with 2. Once I get 2 funded this week, I'm going to try to copy trade and use the same, just pretend it's Topstep. Bit by bit, aim for 100 to 300 per day and just let it build slowly but surely. That's the goal. So we'll see if it works. By November, we should see something good. If it turns out the way I need it to turn out. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We're getting the turnaround. 773 was the 773 was the midpoint of Friday's range. The fact that we challenged that is crazy. Because go look at Friday's range. That was insane. That drop was insane. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We are here. Let me get these guys locked in. Yeah. Nice open, man. Very volatile to open. This might be a dead cat bounce. If you look from a daily perspective, bro. Right now we're inside week. This thing could go either way today. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Shout out to Mr. Koski. Hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. Shout out to all the new subscribers. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Usually I'm on stream like during the week, but I'm seeing who's around on a Sunday. All right, let's see. I can go back and double check everything. Let's make sure this thing is working correctly. Yo, I need to put red candles. I need to make that an alert. Let me just go ahead and do that. Shout out to Red Candles, man. Shout out to the Red Candles Nation. The Red Candles Nation came over here heavy last week. Okay. Let's see if this thing is working correctly. If you're on the shorts side, come over to the horizontal side. Shout out to Henry Bianco. What's going on? I can only see the horizontal chat. I have the shorts chat up too, but come over to the horizontal side. LS Carl says, got my money for tomorrow. Yes, sir. 150K Apex. Yes, sir. That's probably my favorite account on Apex. The 150K. LS Carl said, and I can't see the times on the shorts stream. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. LS Carl said, up 2,700, just a 1,500 day goal. Yes, might be a bear market this week. After this week, buying crypto, leaving. Now I'll be back. Shout out to LS Carl, man. LS Carl is in the building. All right, let's see. Let me make sure this is correct. It's working. Yo, if you're watching on the short side, come over to the horizontal side. All right, I think this is working. Music is good. Trying to make sure the short stream is streaming correctly. Sometimes that can lag. But yeah, payout secured, ladies and gentlemen. Payout secured. I'm gonna put it on the thing. Y'all don't understand. It's been a treacherous spring and summer. If I could tell you how many funded accounts I went through, I don't know. It had to be, I gotta go back and count, but I wouldn't be surprised that if it was 40 or 50. Nah, not even 40 or 50, probably more than 50 funded accounts. I was over trading. And then I was copy trading some of them. It was bad. But we're back. Ooh, did not mean to do that. What did I just do? All right, cool. We're back. Where's the check mark? I need the check mark. I don't understand. It's been a journey. A journey. Where should I put Topstep? It's been a journey getting back, and it was not a game. Looking for a check. There it is. All right, man. We made it. Y'all don't understand. It's been a struggle. It's been a struggle. It has been a struggle. Man, I was just like tilting, because the thing is, I was cruising all the way through. I got a couple payouts first quarter, and then I just hit a wall. I don't know if it was the tariffs or what, but I don't know. The tariffs did have a lot to do with it. I didn't think we were going to dive that deep off the tariffs. I know I was fighting the trend. I was definitely fighting the trend. February, March, April, I was fighting it. But then we bottomed up back to the upside. And then there was uncertainty in the market. There's a lot going on. So I would say things are trying to if they push this back up, I might test it. Let me not do it, man. What am I doing? Well, I got $50 of a buffer. Let me stop. I'm doing too much, man. All right, let's see. I might test this down. This thing is working itself out. Let me go see what my Thinkorswim. Yeah, it was a struggle, man. It was a struggle. And I was playing a little bit bigger than I needed to play. Now I've shrunk my size. I've cut my size in half and more. Right now we're leaning against 1 hour 9 EMA. Let's see if she holds. But yeah, man, shout out to, enough about me, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Payout secured. We're good money. Good volatility to start the Sunday. Start the week off. We will see. Hold on. If you're on the short side, come over to the horizontal side, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to JKLB. Shout out to LS Carl. Y'all come over to the horizontal side, man. Where is my okay. I think we're good. We're trying to get like the stream elements thing going. We'll see if we can. I'm gonna just keep adding different things, whatever is available. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66, aka Mr. Koski. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Shout out to Monk Slayer and Mr. Koski. Yeah, I'm at a point of passing eval. Just have to stop blowing funny. Yeah, bro. I've made a vow to myself, yo, we are not doing what we did this year again. I put myself through the blender, man, for no reason. Didn't have to go that hard. I was tilting like on a weekly basis. I was like, man, something got to change. Lone Wolf Blue says, now I have a bunch of video editing to do from the agility trials. Nice. Yo, I'm still trying to get this computer, man. Hopefully before the end of the year. I want that razor blade. After the razor blade, it'll be a custom build. I'm still trying to figure out which company I want to use for the custom build. It's gonna be interesting, man. All right, we're just gonna watch now. I'm not messing with this thing. We are at payout. I'm not touching it. We're gonna roll this payout into more accounts. Solid, man. Last week, it felt like I was back in the zone. Bit by bit mentality. Less and less trades. Slowly snapping back into myself. That's what I was doing all fourth quarter. Bit by bit. Let it grow. Bit by bit. $100, let it grow. $200, let it grow. Move on to the next day. And then you start to like develop some momentum. And then once you get your momentum going and you're sniping every day, you're starting to have a pulse for the market. Start to have your finger on the pulse of the market. And if you're playing small, if you take a small hit, you can come right back. This year, I definitely tried to size up and got burned bad. Definitely got burned bad. But I've learned my lesson, man. That's what this game is about. It's part of the journey. It's part of the journey, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're on the short side, come over to the horizontal stream. All right, let me make sure this thing is working correctly. All right. Boom and boom. Cool. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Let us know how long you've been trading and what you trade. Let's see if this thing is correct. Shout out to LS Carl in the short stream. Shout out to Henry Bianco. I hope Henry Bianco is still here. He's like, can you give me a shout out? I got you, man. I got you. Oh man, on the short stream, I mean, you can kind of see it. It's cool. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Randy Howell, man. Randy Howell. Mr. Koski said, if not gaming, stick to the Ryzen. Eek, I have 11 videos to edit. You sound like my friend that edits videos. Like, man, I got like 6 of them. Huge. People don't understand what it takes to like edit videos. It's real. It's definitely real. Let me look at the Ryzen. So the Ryzen 9, I need something that will, I have a lot of drawings on Thinkorswim. A whole lot of drawings. You got the Ryzen, let me see. Yeah, Ryzen 9, fully loaded, 16 core, beast. Let me go look at the Razer Blade to see what's in the Razer Blade. Fully loaded, that thing is a beast too. Razer Blade laptop. And I might get the 16 inch. I've been doing like the, cause I have, what do I have now? 15 inch? This is just a Dell, but I need something more powerful at this point. So what I'm gonna do is look up, okay, that's graphics. So they do have AMD Ryzen processors. Hold on. So they have the AMD Ryzen AI 9 365. Then if you want to bump up, they have the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX 370. Hey, they're both Ryzen. Yeah. Let me see. They're both Ryzen. Mr. Koski said, "Don't do the 3D version. It's made for gaming." Oh yeah. I think I saw a video about that. So let me see. So you got 9950X. Nice. OLED display. If we do GeForce, oh wow, check this out. Yeah, I already know it's gonna come to about 5, 6. I already know. Black. I do not game though, but I do need something way more powerful for streaming and Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim takes up a lot of bandwidth. And I want to be able to run everything. I have like 4 screens, 1, 2, 3, 4 screens, and I might add another one. Plus the laptop screen, so that's 5 screens. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Mr. Koski says 16 core, 32 thread, yep. take a look at Razor Blades, Razor.com. Look at the laptops that they have. They're pretty powerful. Do I need a big graphics card? I don't know. What kind of graphics card do you have, Mr. Koski? I'm trying to see, do I need that for running Thinkorswim? I need Thinkorswim to move like butter. I don't want no issues while I'm streaming, and I want to see if I can stream Twitch too. So Twitch, YouTube at the same time, shorts and horizontal. They're pushing down from this level, yo. I kind of want to test it down from 700, but let's not mess up the payout, man. On this Sunday, let's not mess up the payout. Do you know how many times I've been at payout and messed it up this year? That too, along with blowing up accounts right on the doorstep, and I'll be trying to force it above the payout threshold, and then I end up messing the account up. Drawdown, burned. It's crazy, man. From a 15-minute perspective, I like this. Back down, but my entry would have had to been like above 700. We had a shot like 15 minutes ago, but 711 was the last high. I don't know. We'll see. I might test it. 700 is acting as a wall right now, so, but this thing is still volatile. Definitely still volatile. We're moving like 20 points, 30 points per 5 minute. Well, yeah, 20, 30 points per 5 minute candle. Ooh, we're getting the crack. Ooh, I kind of want to do this. Should I do it? I might do it. Let's do it. I'm going to test it. Let's test it down. Tight stop. I got like $50 of space. Let's see if we get a flush. I might move this thing 690. Right now, trying to add to the payout a little bit if we can. Let's see how far she pops up. Might add. I'm gonna do it. Let's risk it. They're gonna flip it all the way back up. If they flip this candle green, I'm gonna be like, what? Now we're starting to sink a little bit. I need continuation, baby. Come on, free trade, free trade, free trade. Get down there, there we go. Now we're chopping, let's go. So now I might, whoa, they popped it up big time, hold on. It's still volatile out there. Definitely still volatile. I'm looking for continuation, man. Might still play with it. Let's see. Test it again. Somebody's trying to buy it up. All right, free trade again. If they pop it back up, cut me out. I'm gonna just try to leave it this time. Right at. Pay for the fees. Make sure you pay for the fees, man. Pay for the fee. Pay for the fees. That's my saying, man. Bring that stop down immediately. One thing I've realized is like, yo, if you break even 30 times, and you took $10 each time, it's 300. That's good for the day. The props let you trade as much as you want, right? So why not take advantage of the chances, right? Probability game. This is a probability game. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. RX Lone Wolf says it's 16. I just have the RTX. Yes, RTX 2070. Okay, so the one in the Razer Blade, they got RTX 560, 8 gig. They got a RTX 570, RTX 5080, RTX 5090. I kind of just want to go all the way in and see, because if I'm spending this much on a laptop, I might want to go like all in and just ramp it up. Who knows? The laptop I've had it for a minute. I take care of my electronics. Last couple of years, I've had this thing since what? 2020? And it has definitely been worth it. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Monk Slayer says, don't do it. I took a little bit of peace. I need to stop playing around on the Sunday. I've definitely blown accounts on the Sunday, man. It's not fun. Start the week blowing up account. I ain't doing it. Monk Slayer says, I'm short from 692. Yeah, I think we can still keep going. We'll see. We do have some old gaps right here. My compass is 700. As long as we can stay below 700, I think we got space down. This 15-minute candle has to stay red though. Ooh, they're trying to flip it. 700 key level. Gotta watch that. You gotta watch the 15-minute candle to see if she flips green. If she flips green and stays green, they might test 770 again. But it has to flip green and we have to reclaim 700 and hold. But right now they're struggling a bit. Heck of an open, man. The first 5-minute candle was 506 points. That thing opened up like a jet. Yeah, opened up like a firecracker. This thing went 500 points. 500 from top to bottom. This 5-minute candle is 506 points. You can't beat that. NQ volatility, man. All right, let me see. So now I have like $70 of space to work with. I have to just leave the day with $150. And I'm trying to add little bits and pieces. 700 reclaim. Let's see how she works. If she holds 700, this 15-minute candle looks strong too. They might go up there and test 770 again. The midpoint of Friday's range is 773. Where are we at? 535. All right, man. Let's see what happens. Could this be another fake out? Or we're about to find out. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Monk Slayer says, I'm out. Gold is nuts too. Don't do the 90. Stay with the 80. Stay with the 80 RTX? That's 16 gig. The 5090 is 24 gigs. That's insane. And then they got the Ryzen AI9 365 and Ryzen AI9 HX 370. I'm excited. I want to see how, if this thing can hold Ninja Trader, Thinkorswim, TradingView, Trade08, all at the same time. We'll see. Oh wow, nice pop. I think they're going back up there to test it. Now from these levels, might play it back down. We'll see. I mean, the candles are looking good to the upside, man. These bulls have been relentless. This could be a dead cat bounce, but still, you gotta respect the price action. Look at these two candles. That's insane. Look at these two candles, man. This is crazy. This looks crazy. Look at that. These two. One huge one down, one huge one up. Look at that gap. This is gonna definitely be a gap to pay attention to. Let's see. This is a 1 hour, 15 minute or 1 hour. Let me see if they got a 1 hour. The 1 hour will be wider. Oh. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Payout secured. I'm requesting that thing tomorrow. And then I'm gonna use the payout to roll into some more funded accounts for Apex and Topstep. Shout out to Topstep, man. Topstep got me back in the game. One hour FEG. We got another 1 hour FEG right here. So this is gonna be interesting on the way back down. High FEG and FEG. Big gap, man. There's something here too. What level is this? I don't think that's a. Let me see. Oh, that's 1 hour. We got two good key gaps right here. That's what we're kind of bouncing off of. But I'm still to the downside. I think this is a trap unless we get above the last 1 hour candle wick. If we get above 73 and hold, that's the midpoint of Friday's range. I'll be like, uh-oh, here comes some bulls. How high do they go? Nobody knows. But yeah, we'll see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope everyone's doing well. Happy Sunday, man. We're trying to start the week off with some bang. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Monk Slayer says, I have the 4090, but I game. It runs everything smoothly. Nice. All right, cool. I can't wait, man. I want to see Thinkorswim move like butter. I can't wait. Thinkorswim has always been, even with my previous computer, it's always been a little bit clunky. But I've never bought like a gaming computer to run all the brokerages. The goal is to see some type of difference. I just need smooth trading, man. Smooth trading. Mr. Koski says, with the 90, you aren't going to use the extra power unless you are running AI service. Oh, got it. Interesting. Etc. Even if doing heavy video editing, the 80 matches the 90. Okay. Sounds good. That saves me like $1,000. Look, we're pressing down again from the 700 levels. I might take it from up here, man. No, let me stop. I'm doing too much. I'm being greedy. I'm gonna relax. Don't be greedy. I'm gonna grab some Apex evals tomorrow too. do some full porting. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, definitely grabbing some. I'll grab some new. Yeah, grab some 80. Yeah, I want to grab some Apex to take advantage of the $85 lifetime. I think that goes through Thursday. Yeah, I think that goes through Thursday. Yeah, I need a big dog. My next computer has to be a big dog. And then the computer after that, I want a custom build. Definitely want a custom build. What time is it? 7. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Mr. Koski. Wow. Let me see something. Hold on. 2 minutes left. 18, 19. Oh, wow. We got us a shootout. Very interesting, but it's still up 20. Still up 20, man. Two minutes left. Who's winning though? Okay, got it. I think we got somebody, man. Finally. Man. Unbelievable, man. Cool. All right, man. Happy Sunday. If you're on the short side, come to the horizontal side. Let me make sure. Let me go over there. Make sure it's legit. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Daniel on the Daniel ABT. Daniel says, I'm in since Friday, made a re-entry right now. The whale that made 169 million. Short BTC on Friday. He just opened a new short position. Great opportunity. That's crazy, man. 160, what? Everything short was crazy on Friday. That was insane. And the thing is, when I saw it, I was like, I've seen this before. I've seen it before. I wanted to hop in with like a micro, but I was like, I was already at goal. I was like, nah, let me not mess nothing up. But yeah, when you get a 100-point candle out of nowhere off of news, and you don't get a bounce right back up, that's the top for now. Because it's similar to like what happened with the tariffs. We just started collapsing, and it was like a big red candle to start. We dropped below the yesterday's low and kept going. We dropped 1,000 points. When you're getting like 1 minute candles, 100 points and above, 50 points and above, that's when you know there's some major selling going on. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys, man. Let's keep on going. Road to 1K, man. We're almost there. Shout out to the Red Candle Nation. Oh. Let me put these in there too. Oh, dang. I think I changed it, didn't I? Or no, maybe I didn't. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Monk Slayer. 75.22. Yeah, it looks like we're going to consolidate a little bit in this area. right below yesterday's midpoint. So we'll see what happens. Stay hydrated, my friends. Stay hydrated. Yo, I've been fasting for like 48 hours. More than that. We had like 50, 52 hours. Intermittent fasting is good for you. Let me see. Hold on. It's like a lime water. That's all I've been drinking. All right, is this thing working? All right, we'll see. We're like on for like an hour. Might stay on for like an hour or two more, just to see who's around on a Sunday. Shout out to X Reaper Studios. They got the jams. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Monk Slayer says, I only eat once a day. I used to weigh 306 pounds. Yo, clap it up. That's what I do. Once a day, or once every other day. It gives the body a chance to breathe. Yo, congratulations on that, Monk Slayer. I like that. Salute to you. Keep going, man. That once a day is real. Go look up, for whoever watches football, go look up Derrick Henry's food regimen. Someone that's in the NFL running people over. And go look at what he's eating. Monk Slayer says it was really hard at first. Look, man. Anything worth doing is going to be hard at first. But look at you, man. You're down 100 pounds almost. I'm speaking into existence. You're down 100. Keep going, brother. Yeah, when I first started, it's tough because your body is so used to having constant food. But once you give it like a week or two, all of a sudden, those cravings start to disappear. And then you're like, where did all the cravings go? That's your body tricking you, man. Whatever bad bacteria, bad bacteria was in your stomach trying to craving more food, the body starts to get rid of those. And then by the time you know it, you're like, whoa, you start seeing changes. You're not as sluggish. I actually have more energy when I'm not eating all the time. Once a day I have more energy than when I'm eating like 2-3 times a day. Go figure. They are pushing the food down our throats, man. They want you to have breakfast, then a snack, and then lunch, and then another snack. No, brunch, then lunch, then another snack, then dinner, then a midnight snack. Your body doesn't have time to breathe. Let your body breathe. It looks like we're going back up to challenge 773. We're making our way up there. Oh, man. I kind of want to play it down, but I'm going to relax. Relax. Yeah, Monk Slayer, keep going, bro. Monk Slayer says, man, my goal is 200. I haven't been there since the army, man. Look, you're there, man. You're right there. Keep it going. Try. You've been doing once a day, right? Try 2 days and see what happens. Usually for me, it's once a day. I eat once a day, but like I'm starting to ramp it up. Like every week, I'm doing like 48 hours fast. 2 weeks ago did 72 hours. It like clears the mind, man. It clears everything. All the bad stuff. All right, we're headed back up to 773. What is this thing doing? What's that little arrow thing? I've never seen that. What's that? What is that? I've never seen that arrow thing. What's that? What was that? It just disappeared. Oh. Yo, I think I'm gonna test this down. But we gotta get to, if we're gonna challenge 73, I need, let's see how we react at day highs. Let's see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yo, Monk Slayer, keep on going, bro. 200 will be here in no time. Monk Slayer says, man, my goal is 200. You got this. You're already, you're already doing the good work. You'll be there in no time. Try the 48 hour though, and see what happens. Just drink, make sure you drink water. Make sure you stay hydrated. Shout out to N Plane. What's going on? Are you selling NQ? I was earlier, but now I'm just on the sideline watching to see how we react at the 50% retracement of Friday's range. That's 773 on NQ. So right now, just waiting and watching. If we reject 73 hard, I might get in. But right now, it looks like it wants to go up there and sweep. Monk Slayer says, I gave up. Hey, Monk Slayer, you're talking my language. Monk Slayer says, I gave up soda, ice cream, sweets, pretty much sugar. And what a difference. And what is most of our food packed with? Everything you just said, man. Yeah, I haven't had a soda in like, intentionally had a soda. It's been like 10 years. It's got to be like 8 to 10 years. Maybe if I went out and went out with some friends to a lounge, maybe they put like maybe something in the drink, but intentionally picked up a can of soda, it's been like at least 8 years. Those sodas are dangerous. I'm still, so the thing is, I'm waiting for the price action to get to the 50% retracement. Overall, I'm bearish. Right now, where this looks like a dead cat bounce. If you zoom out, oh, look at this. We're in the middle of this huge candle. So just know, the upper limit of this candle, somebody's waiting. Unless the bulls are strong enough to reclaim this, I doubt it. But whenever you get a candle like this on the daily, you gotta be patient and be wary to the upside, because this candle right here sent a message. And when I was charting, I was like, okay, we might get a temporary bounce, but overall, we're to the downside. We cracked the overall trend. Let me see. So we had a trend line going all the way. Where's that thing at? Was it May or it might have been May? So we were riding a trend line like from here all the way up. And we definitively broke it. I don't know if it's gonna let me draw it a separate one. Maybe if I can. Hold on. So yeah, I got too many drawings. Let me see if I can draw it on something else. Maybe on NQ. Let me see if I can draw it over. But right now we're going back up. Speaking of that, we're going back up to challenge the trend line. Oh shoot, hold on. Okay, bear with me guys, hold on. Let's see if this thing will give me, oh yeah, I haven't drawn anything. Have I? Yeah. Trying to get a clear, okay. Just imagine a trend moving from here all the way up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. And right where we are now, we're about to retest that trend line from a daily perspective. So what happens at that trend line is going to tell us a lot. So draw a trend line from, I want to say it was it here? It was like, this might be it. Maybe from here, from March 28th. Didn't we draw like it? It was like a continuous, nah, it was from down here, I think. No, not that long. It was here. November, yep. So just imagine a trend line going all the way up right here. And usually when a trend line breaks, you do get a retest, but then from there, it's free fall city. So right now I'm just being patient, waiting to see what happens at that trend line. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys, man. Let's keep on going. Road to 1K, man. Yo, if you're on the shorts side, come over to the horizontal side. You can see things a little bit better. Daniel said, it's crazy. Great strategy, but still I saw the Trumps post 13 minutes late and still made. Oh yeah, for sure. The thing is, once that news came in, shout out to Daniel on the short side. On the shorts live, I should say it like that. Yeah, that's the thing. Like when you get news like that, all you need is a little piece. And the way we dropped, that was insane. That was insane. Cause you could tell just off that initial like 2, 3, 5 minute candles, we were like, whoa, what's happening? Look at this. This was insane. Like you're getting 15-minute candles, top to bottom, 140 points, 131 points, 242 points below key levels. This was like the low from the previous Thursday low. We dropped below, retested it, kept going, bro. Insanity. And then 25K, that's another huge level. And we breached that. They tried to hold it for a second, but when we tore through that, I was like, man, we got a long way down. We got a long way down. It was insane, man. All right. Five minutes. See, we're up there. Let's see how it reacts. This is going to be interesting. See, we're right around where we breached the trend line. So somewhere in this area, let's see if it holds. How high did we get? 63? Yo, I might test it, yo. 63 is like right there. Wow, we're already down 30 points. God dang it. Do I test it? All right, let's test it. Let's have some fun. Trying to add to the payout. We're using one micro. Let's see if they want to test 800 or not. 73 is my 73 is like my compass. I'm debating. Let's see. $73 key level. I'm watching that last 5-minute candle. Let me go look at Thinkorswim. Yeah, we got a little bit of space down. What's the VWAP? Like 700. All right, let's see what happens. I'm gonna test it from up here. Let's see what happens above the next 5-minute candle. Ooh, oh man, I'll go ahead. Let me test it. I want to get up to that. If we can push back up to 60, I might test it down. Somebody's up here. We'll see if they chop through. My stop is right above the last swing high. Let's see if they get up there. 73 is a key level. Oh, dang it. I wanted more of a push before. Well, I think might not get it. Somebody's pushing down though. Let's try it. I'm gonna pull my stop as soon as I can. Come on. Push. I'm shrinking my risk as soon as I can, man. Get out of there. Get out of there. Ooh. All right, I'm right above the candle. If they flip the candle green, I'm out. Yes, come on. Get down there. Oh my gosh. Come on. Free trade, guys. Free trade. God dang it. I'm still playing it, though. I like the push. Something's happening up here. But I want like an entry at like in the 50s if we can get up there. Let's see. I'm gonna test it. If they flip green a little bit, I'm gonna test it. Let's see if they hold it. If we flush, I'll start to add. Get down there. Somebody's trying to hold, but somebody's dumping from this level. I might go free trade, free trade. Don't stop me out again, bro. Come on. Get down there. Puller, 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 puller. Puller, puller, puller. Get down there. Get down there. Oh my gosh, come on, bro. They're flipping it back up. Big battle right now, man. Big battle. Dang. Hold on. I'm still testing it. Let's see. If we push up to like this 50 level, I'm still testing this level. What's 39? We got a fresh 5 coming in hot. 20 seconds. Let's see how it opens up first. Then I'll reposition. All right, right now I got like 80 bucks of space between where I'm at and 150. 150 gets me the payout. What's the high on this? 63. I want something in the 50s. If we can pop up there. Let's see. There she goes. Oh, did I catch it? I don't know if I caught it. Dang it. Yeah, this candle could go either way. I want to put it at the top. Let's see where she goes. What's my swing high? Swing high is 63. Hopefully we don't pop that high. We'll see. Looking for a spin if we can get it. I don't want to get swept though. I might put it above 73. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's pushing. Should I do 73, 63? They might rip it down. Let's see. But she want to keep it. Oh, see, look, trap. But we need continuation if it's really a trap. Man. I've seen this too many times, man. Flip this red. Flip a 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 red. Now, if we can hold red, we got some space. Because that 45, go, 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 go. Don't flip it green. All right, I'm going to leave my stop right there. The key is for this not to flip green. We need continuation on this 15 if we can do it. Free trade right now, free trade. I'm going to stalk her down because why not? Let's add to the payout. Oh gosh, hold on. Don't flip. We're just adding on to the payout right now. Trying to add on to the payout. Literally, anything I make right now adds to the payout. Oh my gosh, don't flip us again. They flipped us again. All right, all good. We got a nice little cushion now. So now I got $100 that I can play with. I like the spin. Somebody's up here for a fact. Let me see. This is 52, between 52 and 63. Somebody's up here unloading. Somebody's unloading. So let's see. Risking $40. Let's see if we can add. Come on, buddy. Let me just play with the micro one at a time and see what happens. The key is to have 63 is the other side, right? All right, we're risking $50. Watching to see if we can curl down from here. We did spike up a bit, but these wicks down from this level have been pretty prominent. So we're watching to see if they, what's the high on this? 52. So I'm like, if we crack above this 5-minute high, then I'll cut it. Risk management, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if this thing pops. Ooh, should I give it more space? Hold on. 63 is the level to beat. Or I can put it up there. How about that? Let's play the 15 rather than the 5, because the 5 could fake us out. If we get above 50, I might add. Let's see if she holds. It's got to hold though. All right, let's see how this goes. 63 is the top. Let's see if she pops. Dang, I want a continuation on that last 15 flip. But we didn't get it. I'm still playing down from here, man. Let's see, 750. We got a fresh 15-minute candle coming in hot. Really hot, 20 seconds. Let me see if I want to test it down. Come on, let's do it. Let's see how the next 15 opens up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up or down, make a decision. Are we up or are we down? Tight stop. I'm not messing with this candle. Come on. We got 15 minutes until the next hourly candle. That's usually a volatile candle. We'll see, or open, 8 o'clock, right? Let me see if I can get anything. A slight pop down. Let's see. Oh, she wants to go. Yeah, it looks like they might want to go for the highs. Somebody's pressing down at this level, big time. But we'll see. Bulls are trying to hold the line. Let's see. The 5 might wick up. Trying to give it a little bit of space just in case they wick. I see this swing high, 74. The midpoint is 73, so I'm playing that range. Basically 53 to 73. Watching to see if anybody presses down. Oh, they're going for it. Yeah, they're going for it. Ooh. They're going for it. Nice push. You gotta give it to them. I'm looking for the push down from this level. If we get it, we'll see. The 5 looks strong. If we get another reject here, I'll add. Somebody's sitting at this level. Every time we try to go, somebody's unloading. All right, let's see. They're going for it. If anything, I'll just take a small hit above the swing high. Yeah, they're pushing. They might wick it. When's our next 5? Like 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes? Let's see what happens. That's a fresh 4-hour candle as well. 8. Yes. Yeah, fresh 4 hour. No, it's not a fresh 4 hour. 10 o'clock is a fresh 4 hour. Right? We're 2 hours into a fresh candle. Still watching this level. Looks like they want to hold, but whoever's up here is still trying to defend. Flipper. Come on, guys. Get down there. Let's see if they hold. Watching to see how this 15 reacts. This 15 didn't get above the last 15. So I'm watching to see if we can get some reject. I'm thinking about even adding and just scalping it, getting the heck out. Because we're hanging out too much around this level. Bulls trying to go. If they go, they stop me out. We'll see. Fresh 5 coming in like 30 seconds. Let's see how she reacts. I could move up to this high, but I'm keeping my risk low. They're definitely trying to go. Let's see how the next 5 opens up. 15 seconds. I don't want to get wicked out either, but it is what it is. There they go. They might do it here. There it goes. Don't wick me out. Please don't wick me out. Don't wick me out, man. All right, let's see how this 5 reacts. Do we get continuation or do we get reject? big battle right here, man. Let me see. Should I get aggressive? I'm debating. I need a red candle before I can do it. Let's see how this 5 acts. They're definitely trying it. Yeah. I'm watching her. They're definitely trying. We'll see if they can sustain. If not, I might add. They gotta flip this candle though. Oh, there they go. Looks like they want to go right here. Big battle. Heck of a battle right here. 73 is the level to watch. And I think they want to get there. Another wick up. There you go, stop me out. Very close. I should put my stop at 73, but it's cool. 114, I'm still around where I need to be, so. $773, super key level. Super key. Ooh, there we go. We're getting a reject. We need a reject. Let's see if they hold. Oh yeah, stop out right here. Or maybe not. 73 is the level I'm watching. Should I put my stop at 73? No. I'm right above the high. Let's do that. Keep it where it's at. Now, if they start to turn this 15 hard, I'll add. Sunday Night Lights, ladies and gentlemen. Hope everyone's doing well. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys, man. If you're not subscribed to Red Candles already, go subscribe to Red Candles. Red Candles is the man. Great streamer, great trader. He sent over the Red Candle Nation last week. We had a good time. They're trying to hold, man. They might wick me out right here. Somebody does not want this thing. Okay, we're there. Let's see what happens here. We're back to 73. Let's see how things move right here. $773.25 is the level to watch. Basically here from here to 800 could get interesting. And we have a fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot. Let's see how that reacts as well. A fresh 1 hour candle at 773. 773 we are holding. Yo, we are more than halfway of Friday's range. That's insane. We're right at the midpoint. So I'm watching to see how things maneuver around this level. From a 15-minute perspective, we got space to 834. We'll see if it can hold. Very interesting. We're back to a 1 hour FEG. Let's see how things react. The open of the next candle is going to be, should give us a little volatility. I'm watching it. 73 key level. 5 more minutes. I'm watching my Thinkorswim candles. Let's see what they got. We got daily EMAs right here too. That's crazy. These bulls, heck of a open. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I know I gotta catch up. I was trying to focus. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Only use it. Yeah, I'm still, man. Look, I'm playing the range of Friday, which is huge. Shout out to Monk Slayer. I'm not going to be able to trade NYC for a while. Do you think it's better to wake up for London Open or Asia possible to make gains? I would say London. If you can get up for London, London's pretty good. I am late to the trade. Why are you going short right now? I'm going against the 50% retracement of Friday's range. That's basically what I was playing. Shout out to Adam Daz. Egypt is in the building. What's up, Egypt? Egypt is in the building. So we'll see how it opens up. Now, if we reclaim 773 and we hold aggressively, then I'll leave it alone. Shout out to Adam Daz. So now we're going to see how this next 5 opens up. $800 is a level that we could play down from. We'll see. I'm going to be real tight. Might go aggressive and play the volatility. We'll see. Right here, 800 is getting retested right now. I could play down from 800. We'll see. We get the. I'm watching to see if they want to sweep. If I want to get in, 90s would be the level. We are trending back up, but I'm playing Friday levels. Down, back down. We got 2 more minutes. Let's see how this works. Big push. We're gonna see how the next 5 opens up. Let's test it. I'm testing down from 800. Entry right at 90. Let's see how this opens up. I want to make it a free trade as soon as I can. They're reaching right now. Let's see. Let's see if we get a pull before. We got 1 minute left. Stop is right above 800. If they stop me out, I might break even for the day. Free trade as soon as I can make it happen. Let's see. I don't want to get wicked out either. 30 seconds till a fresh 1 hour candle. Playing down from 800. I like my round numbers, playing down from round numbers, so we'll see. Should I make a free trade? Free trade? Free trade. All right, let's do it. Let's see how far they pull, if they pull. Ooh, this is going back and forth. Let's see where she goes. Ooh, could go either way, either way. Big open. Big open. Ooh. Come on, guys. Get down there. Get down there. I need you to get down there. Get down there. Get down there. Stop is at the top of the candle. Get down there. You see how 8 o'clock opens? Not a game. 8 o'clock opens up in a way is different. All right, so which way do you want to go, my friend? You got to make a decision. All right, I got my stop at the top of the hourly. Does she go? Yeah, wicked me. Woo! All right, let's see. I'm testing this thing out, man. Big open. Good times, man. Make it a free trade. Make it a free trade as soon as you can. All right, now we're getting a little bit of something. I need more continuation than that, though. Let's see what happens. I wanted a flush off that 8 o'clock, but I'm kind of getting it. I want more of a drop if we can get it. There it is. I think we're kind of getting it now. So what I'm gonna do, right? Ooh, did not mean to do that. What did I just do? I did not mean to do that. All right, let's see if they push back up. Now we're getting a little bit of a flush. Let's see. 72, right? I'm gonna play down from the hourly candle if we get a push back up, but we're not getting a good, dang, I'm missing it. Let's see what happens. 73 key level, super key, still. Let's see if we get anything. Make it a free trade. I need more of a flush than that, guys. It's like somebody's trying to hold it. Break even. They pop me up, they pop me up. Watching to see if we get some continuation. We're getting something. I had to take that just to give me a little bit of cushion away from 150, man. 150, I'm locked in. I'm trying to add to it, but we're not getting it. Let's see. If we push back up to like the 80 level, I'll take it again. We got a trend line right here too. Draw your trend lines. You can do it like that, or like that. 8 o'clock candle is in motion right now. What's my support? Like 700. And we got a little room down for the rebuttal. Let's see if we can catch anything. I want to push up to like the 80s. I'll take it back down again. And then use the high of the 1 hour candle as my stop. We'll see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Sunday night lights, ladies and gentlemen. Sunday night lights. Sunday night lights. I'm trying to add on to see if I can hold on for this payout, man. I need to pull up the chat. What's going on, guys? Shout out to Boogie. What's going on? Shout out to Adam. Daz. What I'm playing is 773. That's the midpoint of Friday's range. And I'm calling the Bulls bluff right now. Let's see. If they go back up, I'm playing down from 800 again. Let's see if we can get it. I'm gonna test it. $800 is like what I'm kind of playing down from, and the hourly top. Trying to get this thing above 1600 if I can, but we'll see. All right, come on. That was your squeeze. Can we hold? There it is. Come on. I like that aggressive selling. This is a free trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if we get the continuation we're looking for. Come on. So close. So close. I'm looking for the drop, man. Get down there. I need a collapse right here if we can get it. Here we go. Should I add? I think I might add. We need more, a little bit into the lower 50s, and I'll add a little bit. Oh, super volatile right now. Super volatile. Get down there. Here we go. Let's see if we can add a little bit right here. Need more of a drop though. Come on. Give me a lower low and we're good. Maybe not. All right, moving my stop. Come on. Get down. Big battle. Oh, big battle. Big battle going on. Yeah. Stop me out. We're right at that trend line, right? That's another reason why I moved that stop down so aggressively. When you're getting back down to that trend line, whoever's trying to hold that thing up will buy it right back up. We're dipping and dodging on a Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. Crazy open for Sunday. The first 5-minute candle was 500 points. Insane. We are trending to the upside, but I'm playing the bears down from 800 and the 50% retracement of Friday's high. Friday's range. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We're sniping around on a Sunday. We're already at payout. I need to stop, technically, but I'm trying to add to the payout. I'm being greedy. I'm being greedy. But the key is just to leave with 150. If I can leave with 150, we're good. So I'm kind of using the cushion above 150. I might stop, man. Look at how my trades have gone. Lower and lower and lower. Now I've matched Friday. All right, it's all good. Let's see how it goes. One thing I don't want to do is mess this payout up. We can't do that. I might just keep it here. Let's see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. Yo, Red Candles. If you're not subscribed to Red Candles, go and subscribe to Red Candles. Red Candles Nation in the building. He's a great streamer, a great trader. Let me see if I can find. Shout out to everybody in the chat on this here Sunday Night Lights. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. If you're on the shorts stream, come to the horizontal stream. We might take this to like 9. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys, man. Let's keep on growing, man. We're trying to get to 1K before the end of October. I know we can do it. If we get to 1K, I'm gonna start running some giveaways. Even with this payout, I might do a giveaway. Let's do like a giveaway, some type of giveaway. I plan on grabbing some more Apex evals as well tomorrow. I'm trying to take advantage of this 85. What's the high on this? 95. This $85 lifetime fee. We got a gap right here. Let's get rid of this. Delete. There's a gap right here that we could probably play down from. I hope I can draw it before we get loose. Hold on. Key level right here. Draw your gaps as the price action is moving. It'll give you like an eye for what's going on. Let's see. I'm gonna test this from the highs. Risking 50 bucks. I'm watching for a trend break. If we get a trend break right here, then we can flush. So maybe down to 21 and below. But we gotta get some type of rejection off of the hourly high. Risking like 40 bucks. Got like 70, 80 bucks to spare. I don't think she gets back up there. We'll see. 773 super key level. Super key. Let's see if this gap holds. If the gap holds, so be it. I stop out and we recalibrate. The 15-minute candle and red hourly candle are red. Trying to see if we get some squeeze down from here. We'll see. 773.25 is the midpoint of Friday's huge range. So I'm watching to see if we push down. Big battle at this level. There's going to be a big battle. Because that 50% retracement puts the ball in either court for the time being. But overall, still from a daily perspective, this is a dead cat bounce. Until proven otherwise, we would have to get above Friday's high. Thousand-point range. That was insane. Man, that thing happened at a randomly after 11 a.m. All right, okay. Give me some. I'm gonna make it a free trade as soon as I can. If they flip this red candle, 5-minute candle red, I might add. Let's see. They gotta really flip it though. Or I can just take break even and then wait for another entry closer to, let's see what happens right here. Flip, make it a free trade as soon as you, dang it, as soon as you can. Come on. All right, we're watching this thing. See how they're pressing down from this level? I don't know if they want to challenge 800. Based on this 15-minute candle, we're struggling a little bit to the upside. 795 is the high. We'll see how hard they want to bounce off this trend. Now, if we can't reclaim 95, I'm still bear biased. See. 773, I'm watching that like a hawk. I'm gonna test it. Let's see if they really want to push it or not. Or is this a fake out? Do they hold? Tough. First 15-minute candle right here. Get out of here. Trying to bring it to break even ASAP. Oh yeah, they're flipping it. They're trying to flip it. Let's see if we get anything. The 1 hour high is my compass. Very volatile right now. Fresh 15-minute candle. Let's see how she moves. They're trying to go for it. I'm playing down from 800 and the 50% retracement of Friday's range. Those are the two levels I'm watching, 800 and 773. Looking for a slight pullback off this level if we can get it. Come on, buddy. They don't want to hold. Ooh, somebody's slapping down. But I need continuation, babes. Come on. There she goes. Come on. Continuation. All right. Stop is basically at 800. I'm looking for a mini flush. I'll just scalp it. Playing down from 800. Do they want to hold it? Could go either way right here. But I'm playing down from the 1 hour high. Come on. Somebody bought up on the last 15-minute candle. But I'm calling their bluff right now. Let's see. Come on. 773 is the level to watch. Now what I wanted to do is slice through 73, but if 73 holds as support, then they'll just stop me out. Decent push. Do they want to sweep the high? The stop is like right above the high. Looking for a little bit of weakness right here. We'll see. They're definitely faking to the upside. Let's see if we get continuation. If we get continuation, then cool. They stop me out. I'll be back to like basically break even. If we don't drop the way I want it to drop here, I might just stop. I'm looking for a real reject, but it's taking forever. Yeah, they're going for it. Let's see if 800 holds. Yeah, they're going for it. It will stop me out. If this candle can hold. It better not wake me out, man. Woo, they just tried it. They definitely just tried it. Do we get continuation? Yeah, they got me. All right, 800. 800 is the target to watch. Bulls are strong right now. Gotta give it to them. Let's see if 800 reclaims. Let me see. Let me check Thinkorswim's. From an hourly perspective, they got space to 900. Are the bulls really about to reclaim all this space from Friday? This is insane. We're on the upper half of Friday's range, which is insane. That's crazy. I'm looking at this as like a dead cat bounce, but right now bulls are strong. You gotta give it to them. Next 15-minute swing highs, or the next 15-minute candle high is 834. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yeah, bulls got some momentum right now, man. Insane. Shout out to Boogie. Shout out to Simon. What's going on? Yeah, shout out to Simon. Yep, it expires the 85%, right? I'm gonna play with some size. That's what I plan to do. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Yeah, they really don't want to let it drop. We'll see. Still testing out that 773 level, but we'll see. What do we have over here? Let me double check Thinkorswim real quick. We got like a I see an FEG at the 700 level. I might test 800 again. Let's see. I might do it. Let's test it out. Down from 800. If they reclaim, they reclaim. That's it. Might make this a free trade since it's a bigger position. Get down there. Playing down from 8. Let's see if we can get something going from 8. Down from 8. The double zeros and the triple zeros, I pay attention to those levels. Hard body. Let's see if we can get something. There we go. Can we get a real flush? I'm used to New York session. I trade New York session, so I'm looking for, when I'm looking for a flush, I'm looking for a flush. Not this chop. Somebody's playing 800, it feels like. Yo, are the Bulls really gonna push this thing all the way back up? I wouldn't be surprised. That's the crazy part. I wouldn't be surprised. All right, so now I'm in the position to, if we get a little bit more flush, still not giving it to me. We got 2 more minutes, fresh 5-minute candle coming in hot. We are retreating from 800. Dang. I had to protect myself, man. Let's see if they try to push. I can average in on this fake out. Let's see. Playing down from 800 to 773 if we can get it. I just want a nice chunk and then I'll be done. Oh, all right, let's see if we get continuation here. Free trade. If they can hold, I'll add a little bit. All right, I'm getting something. I like this candle on the 5. We might be able to get something here. Let's see if they can hold. We're coming back to that trend line. They might try to bounce it off this level. I'm just taking bits and pieces right now. Watching to see if this 15-minute candle can hold red. We're in the weeds. Scalping in the weeds. Let's see if we get continuation. They might bounce it here or try to bounce it. I'm watching that trend. If they break that trend, might add. Let's see. It's a free trade. Yeah, they popped it. now I'm gonna play this wick on the 15. Let's see what happens. I'm looking for a trend break right here. We got we got some good gaps down below, so we'll see. Big battle, man. On a Sunday, we're flying. Where did we open? Our open is 542. This is New York session. This is 542. All right, let's see. I might touch my hand if we push back up. This is an hourly FEG right at 87. I'm watching to see if they use that down. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Boogie. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I'm playing the 800 level. I'm playing this 1 hour gap. I'm playing 773.25, which is the midpoint of Friday's range. I'm starting another position. Let's see. Down from 800. I just want one good trunk. We'll see. Let's see if they hold this trend line. Oh, I messed it up. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. Will the government open up this week? We'll see. We still have non-farm. We have bank earnings on Tuesday. JP Morgan, BlackRock, all the big guys. Oh yeah, I gotta send some schedules out, right? 827. All right, guys, what are they? After that huge red candle, are we gonna hold or are you gonna pop us back out? You gotta give us something. What we doing? Fresh 15-minute candle coming in, and I like how it might open. We got 2 minutes. Look at the last 50-minute candle. Wick, big wick, small body, red candle. Now we have a big wick to the upside, small body, green candle. It might close as a green candle. We'll see. We got a minute and 30 to the next candle. We got trade bait up. We got everything up. Watching. I see the trend. I'm looking for a trend break. But if we get rejected again, playing with small size, testing to see if we get a break back below the 50% retracement. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Simon. Shout out to Chewy. Adam Dads is VWAP. Look for VWAP. Chewy says, stopped out again, I'm done. Monk Slayer says, I got a Topstep eval to trade tonight. See if I can trade Asia very well. Yeah, you don't have to force it. Tomorrow we have a full day. I'm playing this because I'm on day 5. I'm just trying to get to 150 and move on. If I get back to 150, I think we'll just leave it alone. Last week was a good week. Just playing small, bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit. Little chunks here and there, they add up, man. It's a probability game, man. Probability. It's not wins or losses. It's right side of probability or the wrong side of probability. That's it. Ooh, they might go trend break right here. Let's see if they can hold. I might make this a free trade. We'll see. Or should I? If we really get a break here, it's got to prove to me that this is real. First. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Happy Sunday, guys. I'm trying to play down from 800, but I'm not getting the flush that I want. I want like a flush to like at least the 70s. I gotta make this a free trade if we can. I don't like the chop right now. Playing down from the 800s. Let's see if they retest. I might just take a chunk. That's all I really want. It's just a little chunk and then move on. We're really like sideways right now. They're trying to hold on to this trend too. So far. All right, the 90s. Ooh, dang, I was just about to add too. Let's see. I'm testing this range between where we're at right now and 800. Right now, it looks like they want to curl down temporarily, so we'll see. Let's see if they get back into the 90s. They're definitely trying. Bulls are definitely putting up a fight. This is crazy. 773 is the midpoint of Friday's range. We're like right at the trend line. Just playing with some micros. Watching to see if we get any pullback from the 800 level. Maybe back to where we reclaimed, 750-ish. They're definitely trying. When you have consolidation like this, eventually we pop to one end or the other. I just want this trend line to break. If we can get it. I kind of want to go big and take a chunk. We'll see. If they flip this green, I'll leave it alone. All right, cool. Now 800 key level. They're really battling it out. This is crazy. But you can tell something's up here. We're just chilling right now, straight across. You're gonna go for it? If we print higher highs, I just gotta leave this thing alone and believe the trend. Even here. Instead of trying to force the trend break. I'm watching to see if 800 acts as resistance. Double zeros and triple zeros, I get some good moves off of those levels. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Hope you guys are doing great. Where is Avinash at, man? Somebody go call Avinash. Where you been at, man? Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Monk Slayer says, I start a seasonal job tomorrow, so no day trade until the ground. Oh yeah, for sure. No problem. That's the beauty of the futures. You can trade London, Asia. All right, let's see what happens here. I like how the 5 is looking. Are they gonna go for it? Yeah, they want to go for it. This is 800 right here. Do we sweep? Yeah, it looks strong to the upside, man. All right, man, I believe the bulls right now. I believe them. I was trying to call their bluff at 800 and 773, but they've been strong. They've definitely been strong. Stop is like right at the high. I was like, they are faking us out. We're gonna flip. We'll see. But right now they're holding it. They're doing a good job of holding it for sure. Yeah, trend is holding. I was looking for a break, but looks like they want to keep going. Yeah, they're going for it. Sweep action. What do we have? Another 5 coming in like 2-3 minutes. If we print higher highs, it's a wrap. The bulls are really ramping back up to Friday's high. This is insane. All right, let's watch. Higher highs. Or is this a fake out? We'll see. 800, still playing 800 down until they prove me wrong. Yeah, they're strong. You gotta give it to them. I gotta switch sentiment. If they can hold on to 800 and keep going, they got it. They got room. Technically, if you look at the fibs, we got room to 900. But are the bulls really gonna do that? This is insane. 25,000 reclaim? I was like, I don't think they're gonna get past the 50% retracement. And look at where we are. I do not want to get wicked out. Hopefully it doesn't wick me out. Is this real? We'll see. Fresh 5-minute candle coming in hot. 30 seconds. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. I just need a chunk, man. At this point, I just want a chunk, and then I'll be done. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading, and what do you trade? Shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Let's keep on going. All right, we're trying to get to 1K before the end of October. I think we can do it. I like the wick on this 5. Let's see how she moves. Continuation. Yeah, they're strong. Bulls are strong, man. They're strong. We're reclaiming this 1 hour gap. They're strong, man. What's the high on this 5? 805. Might shrink my risk just in case they decide to go bonkers. 805 is the high of the last 5. I'm looking for a collapse, but the trend is just holding so strong. I was working down from the 50% retracement of Friday's range and 800. But right now they want to hold. I thought the bulls were bluffing a little bit, but we'll see. If we get any type of curl down right here, or do they go for the high? All I need is a little bit of a scalp down to the 70s. Yeah. If this holds again, I might cut it, and then we're to the upside, because we haven't had any type of convincing flush yet. Maybe we get it here. We'll see. I like the wicks on the 5 minute. Let's see if they can spin it. If they keep holding it, I just gotta cut it. We're sideways too, man. Oh boy. Can they hold it? Fresh 5 minute candle, 3 minutes. Yeah, they're holding it, bro. I gotta switch sentiment. I'm to the up to the upside. If we reclaim 800, we got space to not basically 890 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we're gonna test this. We're gonna rock this trend up. They've proved me wrong, man. I tested their hand like 3 or 4 times. We got a little bit of a dip, but nothing significant. And right now these gaps want to hold, so you got to switch sentiment on the dime. Let's see what we can get, and then I'll use 79 as the bottom. Let's see what we can get. Fresh 5 minute candle coming in hot. Let's test the next 5 and see if she gives us some support again at the trend line. If you gotta switch sentiment, you gotta switch sentiment. Overall, from a daily perspective, I still think we're to the downside, but right now you just gotta go with the hot hand, especially if you're scalping. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We are in the mix, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. Sunday fun day, ladies and gentlemen. Sunday fun day. Monk Slayer says gold is moving nice. Nice. 800 looks like she wants to hold. I was playing down from it, but the price action is telling me otherwise. So I gotta go with the price action. The fib gap is 918, which is crazy. I'm moving my stop up. Let's see. Fresh 5 coming in hot. Let's see if we get continuation. I'm looking for like a pullback back to the trend line. Let's see if 800 holds. I'm watching it. They do not want to slow down. Yo, this is crazy. I'm using the trend line as my base now, so we get back to 800, I'm in again. If they test it, got down to 805. She's running, bro. If we get back to Friday's high, I'm gonna be like, if we get back to Friday's high, that would be insane. I'll be like, look, there's big manipulation. Look at these two candles though, off the open. Insane. JP says it is what it is until it's not. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you want to hop in the Discord, the link is in the description, but you gotta say something. I'll post it too. All right, let's see how the trend line reacts. We could build off of this. She does not want to stop, which is crazy. Got my stop at the bottom of the last 15-minute candle. That's like right at 75. They don't want to stop right now, which is crazy. You can see it, like they're just adding. Whoever's in here is just adding every time we pull back. When we got these two big red candles, I was like, oh yeah, I think they'll flush us at some point, but bulls just keep ramping right back up. So now I'm just going with the trend, man. Now I'm playing the 800 gap to 850, if we can get it. We got a little bit of space over here. If we have anything, yeah, we got a little something right here. We got more gaps over here. I'll draw it out. This is the 5 minute, right? 5 minute gap. Next gap is like up here in the 30s. We'll see if she can hold. All right, now 800, I'll try to see if we can hold that. If we can't, playing the trend line. They might want to breathe a little bit here. 800, I'm gonna. We do have some pullback room to 773, but the bulls are hot right now. And we have, oh, these are daily levels too. Let me look these daily levels up. What is this? 66, 866, and support 858. Is it 858? All right. Let's see if they reclaim these things, these trend lines. Hold on, which line? What is that? 47. Okay. So right now we're in the golden zone gap. Let's see what happens. Watching to see if 800 holds. We got a fresh hourly candle coming in hot. 10 minutes. Fresh 5 right here. They do not want to stop, man. This is crazy. Tight stop, $74. Ooh, yo, these bulls are different. They don't want to stop. We got fresh hourly candle coming in hot. Do they flip this? No, they want to keep going, bro. This is crazy. All right. Let's see. I'm going to test 800 up. Watching to see how this thing opens up. Doji. We got space up, man. A lot of space. This is crazy. I don't know what to call this, but these bulls are in a different world right now. If we get back to Friday's high, bro. If we get back to Friday's high, I might make this a break even play if we can. I need more of a push though. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I have a sell order for 823 if it gets to it, but only 15 point stop. Yeah, it's volatile right now. I wasn't expecting the bulls to do this. Yo. All right, make it a free play. Let's see if we get some continuation right here. Free play. Can they push? We got space. If you look at the fibs, we got space to like 900, which is insane. I wasn't even expecting the bulls to like get anywhere near this. Ooh, yo, this is insane. I don't know what to call it. These bulls are on a different. Let's see if they want to retest and continue to go. I might add here. Let's see. Ooh, it's a free play, but I kind of want to test this perkiness. Hold on. Just add it up bit by bit. Wow. Unbelievable. I was not expecting them to do this. This is insane. Do they slap us down or keep going? Either way, free play. Trying to give it a little bit of room. Yeah, if they get back to Friday's high, I'm gonna be in shock because we've made a whole bunch of progress right now. Looking to see if they want to push 850. We'll see. Can they hold it? They might pull it back. That was a nice spike up, man. That was crazy. Watching to see if we get continuation. This is wild, bro. We got a fresh 1 hour candle. I might wait to see how she opens up. This is crazy, man. Did anybody else think we would be this far back up? What? We're more than halfway. The fact that we're even this far is crazy. Let me draw this another gap out. I see another one. This is on the dot like the other one. Wow. You gotta go with the hot hand, man. Go with the hot hand. Be able to switch that sentiment on the dime. And you'll stay green. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I need to catch up, I know. Shout out to Maxwell. Maxwell says, I anticipate selling opportunities. Same here, man. After a crazy drop like that. Same. All right, let me see if I want to play this real quick. Let's see if we get something. I'm gonna hit it. Let's see if they don't pull the rug on me. Hopefully not. There we go. Perky, perky, perky. Get up there. Perky, perky. Free play. Get up there. Last minute run. Trying to see if it'll give us a last minute run. Pay attention to the last 5 minutes of an hourly candle and watch the price action. During that last 5 to 10 minutes, they fight for position. And you can get some good moves off of that momentum. Shout out to Maxwell. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Monk Slayer said there's a lot of people watching. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. The grind does not stop, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa. Shout out to all the new subscribers. We got a fresh, ooh, that's the move. She's trying to go. She's trying to go. She's trying to get out of there, man. Should I test it again? See if she wants to go further? Or will she pull it back? Let's see. We got 3 minutes left. Let's see if they go crazy into the last 3 minutes. Shrink your risk as soon as you can. Let's see if they give us another pop. They're definitely trying it, jeez. Whether they stop me out. Trying to give it a little bit of room for squeeze and go. Oh yeah, they're pulling it all the way. They're gonna pull it that much? Wow. Let me see. Trying to see if they come through in the last 2 minutes, but they're pulling it hard. Harder than I anticipated. I call this play the squeeze and go. It's where they fake out, fake the wick, and then they fill it back up. Hopefully they fill it back up, but right now they are not filling it back up. To close the hourly candle. Yeah, we're not getting the pop I was looking for. Continuation to like the 50 range. Trying to give it a little bit of room. If not, I'll leave it alone. We got 1 minute left. I don't like the wick on the 5. Can they fill it back up? Here we go. Squeeze and go, squeeze and go. Give me something. To the 40 range at least. I gotta make this a free play since we're at the highs. And a fresh 1 hour candle's coming in hot. I gotta, as soon as we get in green, I'll pull it up to break even. 1 minute left. Oh, they can't do it. Let's see if we get anything. Squeeze and go, guys. Squeeze and go. Give me something to the 30s. I'm used to New York session, man. Move would have already happened. We got 30 seconds. Can we get anything into the 30s? Here we go. Come on. Into the last 30 seconds, the last 15 seconds. Can she do it? I'm stalking her up. Come on. It's not gonna work. Let's see how the next candle opens. Yeah, stop out. Fresh 1 hour candle, guys. Whoa. Are they giving me the move? They're aggressive, yo. These bulls are different. Yo, what are these bulls on? Nice open. want to stop, guys. Insane. All right, let's see. Let's see if we press, or do they flip it? I don't like the wicks, man. Watching to see if we can push into the 40s, but it's not happening. Playing the trend, I'm playing off the trend. We're not getting the pop I'm looking for. I'm looking for something into the 40s. If we can get it. Strong, start. What? How is this happening? There's like a battery in their back right now, man. Dang, I wanted to pop it up there. Let's see if she gets out of here. If they flip the candle red, I'm out. I don't want no flips. Get out of there. Yeah, they're gonna flip it. Or attempt to flip it. Yeah, they got me. All right. Trying to play the trend, man. Let me see. Check Thinkorswim charts. Yeah, we got room. This is crazy. I didn't think the bears would be this hot. I mean, the bulls would be this hot. Yeah, we got space up. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Maxwell says we should see something solid in London. Yeah. Mr. Koski says I put a video for the nice in the Discord. Nice. I'm gonna check it out. $8.05. They still want to keep going. This trend is very strong. Tap, 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 all the way up. Oh, they got me out of there. Look at the 1 hour. What? Look at how far we are back up. We were close to 24K. And right now we are at almost back to 25K, which is crazy. This swing high, or this high, is 47. That was the gap I was trying to fill, man. We'll get up to it. Momentum on the 15 is starting to wane, but we're still here. Maxwell says they're on Red Bull. Yes, they are. We haven't pulled back at all. All I'm looking for is a little bit of a pullback that I can scalp. Jeez, they're not giving me anything. They are definitely on Red Bull. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're on the shorts stream, live stream, come over to the horizontal live stream. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Let's keep on going. Happy Sunday. Let's watch this. They're just grinding, man. We do have some gaps up here. Let's see how we maneuver off of these. When we were up here, this is where we definitely took off to the downside around these levels. So let's see if they want to keep pressing or All right, let's see what happens up here. The trend is trending though. Jeez. Nice push. I was too tight on the last play. Could have held it. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Stay hydrated, my friends. Look at all these green candles. Insane. What a push. Oh, wow. Yo. All right, now we got a 4-hour gap up here. Let's see how this reacts. The last high is like 48, and we just got there. Let's see how they want to react around this level. Do we pierce through? Or do they go for this level? 900. 900 is the gap fill. Now, if we start cracking this trend line, now we can maybe get some action down. But it is what it is until it's not. Let's see what happens up here. All right. Ooh. I might test it from up here. That's the last time. And we got some key gaps up here. Let's see. I got my stop right above the high, just in case they blast off. I'm testing it. $48 is where we kind of collapsed from, but we'll see if they can reclaim. Or does the train keep going? Kind of fighting it up. I should just like keep going with the flow, but based on where we dropped the last time, this is right where we dropped. When we were dropping from on Friday, around this area. We'll see if they hold. At least a temporary drop, something. But if not, a small loss. Let's see. Shout out to Chewy. Shout out to Chewy. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Shout out to Maxwell. Shout out to Mr. Koski. Mr. Koski posted some videos in the Discord. Go check Off Topic. Are we getting something? I don't know if this is gonna hold though. I'm gonna make it a free trade soon though. Make it a free trade as soon as you can. Or I might give it a little room. Let's see. If they flip this red, okay. I like that. But does it hold? That's the question. Make it a free trade as soon as you can. Now, if we start finishing below that last 15-minute candle, the last 5-minute candle, then I'll be like, uh-oh. So we just tested the trend line. Let's see if they hold. Or is this a real reversal? I'm going to test it. Is this a real reversal? Or do we keep going? At least a temporary. Jeez. We're not getting anything back down. I gotta draw this gap too. 15-minute gap. 15-minute gap. Make it a free trade as soon as you can. Get down there. Can you get down there? Maybe not. Basically break even though. Let's see if we get a failure down. Trying to give a little bit of room. Oh nah, she's pushing. Unstoppable bulls right now, man. Let's see. Dang it. I didn't mean to be that tight. Let's see. I like the wick on the 15. I'm just looking for continuation, man. Something. Free trade. Get down. There. And now if they can flip this 15 red, then I'll add my ad. Oh man, it missed my, oh my gosh, my entry. Come on. All right, let's see. Do they flip it up or do they break this? I like the break. We just need continuation. Liking it on the 5. Shrink size as soon as you can. Shrink size as soon as you can. Come on, buddy. There we go. We're getting something. Ooh, shit. Free trade, free trade, free trade. Come on, guys. I think they're going to retest, though. I like the break, though. I do like the break. All right, let's see. From right here, what do they want to do? I like my 1 to 2s, but I also like bringing that stop down. I don't play with that stop because anything can happen. Are they gonna hold? Do they want to hold it? Oh man, they playing with me right now. I just need a little bit of a flush. Make it free, make it free, make it free. Make it free. Or at least break even. Get down there. Can't get down there. Come on, buddies. I like the wick on the 15. We just need a flush. The high of this candle is 38. That's basically what I'm playing down from. Let's see if they try to hold. Can we get some type of flush? Nothing. They trapped me, man. I should have just left this thing alone. They trapped me, man. They definitely trapped me. Free trade. Oh, tilt, right? I don't know if, let me check. It's not giving me anything right now. I think they do it like during New York. All right, so now we're going back up to retest this trend line. Now I'm about to test it. Let's see. Smaller size though. All I need is a flush, baby. Give me a flush. I like the trend break though. That looks pretty clean to me. For now. This is a fresh 15-minute candle. Let's see if they work down from this level. This is 37. I want something into this gap if we can get it, but I like the last 15. That's a big wick back down. So I can play from the wick down. That's what I'm trying to do. We'll see. Or at least halfway. Nice push. Let's see if they hold. Do they want to hold this thing? Oh. Where's my stop? My stop is 39. Let me see. 38. Yeah, bulls are strong, man. You gotta give it to them. If they reclaim this trend line, insane. I'm looking for a retest and break down. That's the goal. Nice push, man. You gotta give it to them, man. These bulls want to get to, they want to get back to the high. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Let's see if we get anything to the downside. I might wait until we get closer to the next 5. Pushing into the wick. Ooh, there it is. Did we get it? That's what I was looking for, man. All right, that's cool. Let's see. Let's see if they flip it. Let's see how, ooh. Come on, we need continuation. A thing called continuation. Fake out. If they fake me out, I'm done. I gotta leave this thing alone. I was looking for the flush, man. Somebody's pressing down. Yeah, they're not giving me anything, bro. Basically, this high is like the trend line retest. I'm looking for a flush down from the trend line, but we're not getting it the way I want it to get it. They don't want to pull back at all. Shout out to everybody in the chat. There we go. Come on, get down there. I need red right here. It's tough because it's Sunday. In New York, we would have already probably been down and back up. That's how I usually like scout during New York. Yo, they're not playing no games. Trying to give it a bit of room. Because we did crack the trend line. Looking to see how far we pull back though. Fresh 5 right here. Does she want to go north? It could go either way right here. Yeah, they want to hold. Wow. Can't beat it, man. These bulls have been non-stop. Yeah, they're about to stop me out. They're going back for the trend line. Insane. All right, man, I gotta leave this thing alone. Down 300. this one alone. Whoa, where are we at? Shout out to all the new subscribers, man. Happy Sunday. Let me see. Everybody on the, oh my gosh. Are you about to fake me out? They're testing the trend line again. All right. It's gonna give it like one more shot, but I'm leaving it alone. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Oh, you said it says 64 along on your Topstep? How come mine isn't refreshing? The tilt will display during trading hours. That's it. These are trading hours. Come on, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. They're pushing. Yeah, I was looking for at least a pull back to maybe 800 to retest, but it might not happen until later. These bulls have been relentless. I was not expecting them to do this. This is insane. Wow. They're not playing any games. They're going for the reclaim. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Lone Wolf. Blue 66, Mr. Koski. Yeah, they're out of here. I gotta leave this thing alone. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. I might start getting on Sundays if you guys want me to. I'll hop on here. Let me go look at yeah, she just keeps going. 896 is the gap fill, which is crazy. She's going, bro. These bulls, like Maxwell said, they are on Red Bull. If we reclaim 25K, insane. This is a little mini gap right here. They popped it right off of it. It's pop. You gotta give it to them, man. I was calling their bluff, but they will not stop right now. They're on the move. All right, 9:30. I should be back on tomorrow. We've been on for how long? 3 hours. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Let's see. Yeah, they're unstoppable right now. We started at, the open was 542. We're up almost 300 points from the open, which is crazy. Still watching this level right here. Kind of got a little bit of a drop, but these bulls do not want to give up. High is 545. This is where we I was playing these levels over here. We kind of collapsed from these levels. 40 to the 60 level. So we'll see. The bulls want to keep going. Looks like they do. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Maxwell says, shout out to the market manipulators. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Monk Slayer says, yeah, I'll be watching Sunday nights if you start. Yeah, I'll come up. I think I'll do that. Just knock out a couple hours before the long week. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity. Why is my Discord not opening up? Who is Playboy? And Chewy, I remember Chewy. So Chewy, I got you. Chewy, I'll bump you up. Give me a second. Once I get off, I'll bump you up. Who's Playboy? If you're in here, say something. This is Sunday price action too, man. It's a little bit, it's not, I'm used to New York. So some of the moves during New York, if we get the moves on Sunday, not exactly the same. Less volume, etc., etc. Chewy, I got you, yep. Chewy, when I bump you up, just let everybody know how long you've been trading and what you trade. All right, guys, where are we at? Yeah, we're at 3 hours. Guys, okay, I think I'm gonna leave it alone here. Might like snipe in the morning and see if I can chop down to 300. If I get to like 350, 400, I gotta stop. I'm done. That's like my daily limit. So we're on day 5. So we'll see what happens. If I can use small size, but otherwise I'll just leave it alone, and then we'll get back to it tomorrow. That's it. That's the game, man. That is the game. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm gonna watch this price action, get ready for sleep, and then I might be back on tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it'll definitely be Tuesday. Yes. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys soon. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. Shout out to Mr. Koski. Shout out to Chewy. Shout out to Maxwell 7153. Shout out to Monk Slayer. Shout out to Hassan. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66, aka Mr. Koski. Shout out to Eric Solis. What's going on, Eric? Eric is back. Shout out to, who else was in here? Chewy. Shout out to Chewy again. Shout out to Simon. Shout out to Adam Daz, all the way from Egypt. Shout out to N. Plain C 1640. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Monk Slayer again. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. All right, guys. Discipline equals freedom, ladies and gentlemen. Have a stopping point for your day. I should have stopped when I was up 200. Should have stopped. But I wanted to give you guys a show, and I gave you guys a show. All right, guys. You guys be safe. Consistency over home runs, ladies and gentlemen. Base hits win the game. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. Don't be greedy like I was today. I was greedy, but it's all good. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Base hits win the game. Consistency over home runs. Trust the process. Don't rush the process. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep on going, guys. Even if you fall on the wrong side of probability, it's okay. Tomorrow you could fall on the right side of probability. It's not wins or losses. It's probabilities. All right, guys. You guys be safe. Be good to yourselves and be good to others, ladies and gentlemen. Be good to yourselves and be good to others. I'm going to catch you guys on the flip side. Peace. Be safe. Peace. Happy Sunday.